Wear gloves. Before proceeding, put gloves on. Empty pockets. Before applying the tourniquet, make sure all contents from the pockets have been removed. Locking. Insert the tail through the locking system and you will hear the teeth engage into the strap. Tourniquet application. Apply the tourniquet 2 to 3 inches above the wound or high and tight on the extremity. Safety holder. Place excess strap through the tail holder and pull until the release lever is covered during transport. Extra slack. Make sure you cannot fit 2 fingers underneath the tourniquet strap. If so, continue to tighten the tourniquet by pulling the strap some more. Tighten tourniquet. Lift ratchet lever to tighten tourniquet until the bleeding stops. Release tourniquet. To unfasten the tourniquet, press down on each release lever one at a time for small increments, or both at the same time to release at once. Tourniquet should only be released by or under the supervision of a medical professional. Releasing strap. Place fingers under the release lever on the head portion of the tourniquet. Next, begin to lift the release lever up while pushing the head forward to remove the tourniquet. Timer. When fully secured, turn the timing wheel to sync with the hour. Also, you can write down the exact time on the inside of the strap. If bleeding continues, apply a second tourniquet side by side from the first tourniquet.